Hello everybody, I'm Lucky and I'm being ventriloquized by Carmel Winters. The film we want to share is Useless Dog, made by Wardrop. I know Carmel chose it because she loves how Ken brings such compassion and humour and mischief to his films, particularly his more intimate, personal films, and in this one it's his brother and his brother's dog who star. And for me, Lucky, I love it because it's about time we honoured uselessness. More uselessness, I say. So enjoy it and, excuse the COVID haircut.
She probably is some form of a sheepdog, cross terrier, and who knows what else she is. Mongrel of some sort. Well, Guinness is useless as a dog. She is useless as a creature. So 7 sevens are 49. She's 49. It's quite hard and difficult to train a 49-year-old human being, let alone a dog who's very set in her ways. But she enjoys life, and so be it. She's a very cowardly dog that doesn't like to be confronted by anything. She likes to come and jump up on me and looks for a bit of attention from now and then. Only when it suits her, mind you. I would like to see a little bit more work. Her work ethic is very poor. Maybe chase a few birds and round up a few hens, and that's basically all she does. She should at least do something constructive. Dog or no dog. What can you do about that? That's nature. No, she's not neutered. She's had a few pups already, one of whom has all her same characteristics. So now we not only have one, but two useless dogs around the place. But what can you do? Well, you could be out in the yard and she could be running around the yard, up and down and in and out of everything. And the next minute she just conks out on the ground, fast asleep. It's a kind of a nocturnal disease of some sort. Narcolepsy, that's the name of it. Narcolepsy. So it really is a dog's life. She is, yes, she is worse than useless. But she's part of the furniture like her mother. And that's it. We have to live with it, don't we? What can we do?